Hey guys, what's going on? Mike here. I'm back with another 2-minute video on how to install the SPDs on your Nike SuperRep indoor cycling shoe. Alright, so the last time we were here, we installed the Delta Cleat, right? But some of you guys don't know that there are several types of cleats. So you have your Delta, you have your SPD SL, and you have your SPD. Right? So at the time when I first got the shoe, I did a video on how to install the Delta. And in the comments below, people were asking me about the SL and they were asking me about the SPD. So at the time, I didn't ride SPDs and I had never used SLs. Then I started teaching at an indoor cycling studio and they had pedals with SLs and SPDs. So I had to make the switch to the SL. I realized over time I didn't like the SL because it hurt my knees. So I made the jump to the SPD. Now I got so used to it that I did switch it to my home bike. So my Peloton does have SPDs and I absolutely love it. So in between time, I've seen some Instagram posts and some Facebook posts where people are actually breaking the shoe from using the SPDs. But what they didn't realize is they didn't install their cleats right. So I'm gonna walk you through that, and it's a quick 2-minute, 3-minute process. So it's almost the same concept as doing the Delta, but you know, it's not that. We're just gonna walk you through it. It's really simple. So what you're gonna do, first we're gonna get this one out of the way. So if you're just getting your shoes and you decide to go to SPDs from the jump, on your shoe there's a bag and it has 2 plates inside. All right. So if you install Delta, you need just 1 plate. But if you're gonna do SPDs, you actually need to use both. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna walk you through. We're gonna unstrap the shoe. Right, because you do need to get your hands inside there. First, you're just gonna pull out the insole, which is pretty cool. And then you flip the shoe over, grab your Allen wrench. Doesn't have to be this fancy one. Pop out that foam insert, put it aside because you are gonna need it again. All right, now, if you have big hands like I do, this is the challenging part. So what you wanna do is you wanna take both of these plates. You wanna have the notch side down, and then you want to put the SPD plate on the back side and stick it in here and try to hold it with one hand and get it inside the shoe. Right? At least lined up. There we go. Right? So now you can physically move the SPD plate inside. Now, the next step is just taking the SPD, the plate itself without the screws, lay the plate on there and point it off towards your big toe and move it over towards the inside of the shoe. Take your washer, stick it in the slot, and grab 1 screw, put it in. Get your 4mm Allen wrench. Tighten that one down. Line it up. There you go. Take the other screw, stick that in there. Put that nice little tighten. Go back and forth. All right. That seems to be where you want it. Right, so there's your cleat installed. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to this little foam piece, stick that in there. It just kind of lays in there. It's not going to fit totally in the slot. Grab your insole, stick it back in the shoe. Strap up. Hop on the bike. Pick a ride. Bust out your best PR. And that right there is the install of your SPDs on your Nike SuperReps. I'm Mike. I will talk to you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know there's a new video every time I upload one. All right, peace.